Hi, this is Andrew Spencer, Operations Manager at PineRidge Ford, and many of you may have noticed that we've been having some renovations going on at the dealership. I'd like to give you a little bit of walkthrough and give you some information on what's going on. So PineRidge Ford has been around for coming up on 30 years in 2023. As a franchise Ford dealership, there are certain requirements on how the dealership needs to look. With that, over the last 30 years, there's been a few major renovations plus some minor ones along the way. As you can see on the outside of the building right now, there's this big dumpster out front. That's as things are coming out of the building. And we'll go inside, we'll see what's going on in there. As you come in through sales or reception, you'll notice right away that the flooring has been removed. There's these big orange tarps over a couple of spots, and what's happening there is some offices are being removed or changed, and it's opening up the customer lounge. It's our wonderful industrial looking concrete floor right now. Go back over this way. Sorry for the speed of that. Like I said, you can see these orange tarps. They're marking off areas where they're still under construction working there. Currently we're down to one washroom, just as some of the renovations continue in that area. Eventually all these desks will be being replaced in the sales side. And you come down to this part, there's a big orange tarp here. An overhead door will be going there to allow us to bring vehicles in easier. So over the next several weeks, we'll have lots of changes going on as we can progress. We're still open for business in all departments. We're doing our best to minimize the amount of disruption to our customers as we're doing this. These renovations you'll see in all four dealerships, they're slowly working their way into making them all be a uniform look. And so keep you updated as they go. Like I said, we are open for business in all departments, and we're doing our best to minimize any disruption to our customers. Have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, please give us a call, 306-236-1810. Talk to you later.